Play 107, I'm Jake Ryan. I got a special request for something specific on this really cold day, cold week, probably cold month. So here it is by request.
Yeah, I'm at that Edmonton. Now I'm down at the mall, freezing in my pocket stall. Gotta get inside, y'all. Start to walk the entrance, and I start to fall. Slipped on some ice. An ambulance you should call. Now I think I'll make it to Bed Bath and Beyond for a heated blanket. If you got 107 on, you should crank it. You can tell by the temperature that I'm in Edmonton. Icy, snowy, slippery city.